Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your background image on Safari running iOS 15. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So as you can see, you can choose from different background image for your Safari homepage. You can only see this background image when you open a new tab on Safari. In order to see this option, you need to make sure your iPhone is updated to the public beta iOS 15. Do note that this iOS 15 is still in testing phase, so there might be some bugs. So let me show you how to do it. Open your Safari on your iPhone. Now tap on the screen to see the address bar at the bottom. Now tap on the tab button at the bottom right. Now tap on the plus sign at the bottom left. Now tap on Edit. A option menu will appear. Find background image and enable this option. This will then let you choose 9 preloaded background image for your Safari browser. You can also tap on the plus sign to use the image from your photo gallery. Tap on a background image to use an image. Now tap on the X at the top right to see the changes made. To change the background image again, tap on Edit and then select another background image. Do note, when you browse to websites like google.com or apple.com, the background image is then removed and it follows the website's preference. And there you go, that is how to change your background image on Safari running iOS 15. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.